everybody, welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel. And yeah, it's been a minute. What can I say? Life got really busy, and so yeah, it's been a little while since I've been on YouTube. Hadn't made a video in about 3 weeks now. I have recorded some at the shop, but haven't been super motivated to make a video. But we are back, and everything's good. Just been really busy and got thrown a little bit of a curveball in my personal life, but that happens, you know, and the best thing you can do is, I guess, tighten up your laces and keep on going. So, we are down at Bradenton Motorsports Park for the Friday test and tune at the drag strip before Cleetus and Cars tomorrow. Let's show you what all we brought. Alright, well, you guys will see more about this build pretty soon. Like I said, I filmed a little bit of videos about this, as well as all the work we did on the lawn dart in the previous couple of weeks. But if you guys remember the crashed Lexus, well, there's its new sibling. And this side is nice and straight. See, we've got our header fixed from the impact. Had to build a new pipe there. All new front end. It's a whole new car, except for the left front fender. So that's the only piece, that and the wheels, and the rear diff, and the steering column, shifter, transmission, engine. That's the only thing that came from the other car. Completely new body shell. We did put a roll bar in it. If we can get everything situated between this car and SoccerMom over there, I'm actually about to go get a ride in SoccerMom. I haven't driven her in a while. And we're gonna see what we can do with that one, but may run this in the shootout with the other burnout cars, and then may race that one with the streetcar shootout. So, let's go make a run in something. Time to get on the racetrack. All right, well, we're trying to sneak a run in right before the driver's meeting for the streetcar shootout, because I have no idea what this thing's going to do or how good the track is or any of that stuff. So, CO2 bottles open. I topped off the alcohol. All right, let's go. We've got Parker first round. Parker hasn't been in since April. This thing's been fighting us for a little bit, but maybe something good will happen. Oh, race cars are fun. Race cars are fun. didn't get my slip, but it went 740 flat at 155 or something. So I need to look at the data log and turn the rev limiter up and go faster. All right, so CJ went and grabbed the time slip, and 117, 306, 465, 153, 740 or the 7 at 155. So I stepped off the throttle at 6 seconds, and it boost cut at 2.7. So it was at 40 pounds of boost. I had the safety set to 38. So I turned that up to 45, and it was on the rev limiter, which is why I stepped off. I had the rev limiter set to 9,000, but it was touching it at 8,600. I don't know why. So I turned it to 9,500. So it won't hit the rev limiter this time. We did put a little bit of oil in the overflow bottle, so hopefully it doesn't do that again. But we're gonna go try to make another one. I've got Garrett this round, so I guess I'm gonna have to take out both of the Mitchell brothers. Ruby just went a 45 and I went a 40. Yeah. But I've got to get down the track. So I was fairly spicy of a tune-up, but I guess we'll see what happens. All right, round 2 versus Cleetus McFarland. I've got him covered to the 8th, but yeah, this thing's out of gear by the finish line.
You'll be the second pair out.
Okay.
After these guys.
Okay. All right, so second pair out, and it's me versus Garrett. Last time I raced Garrett, something not good happened, so we're not going to talk about it. SoccerMom, you monster! Ooh, the racetrack disappeared. All right, so last pass with the pedal job. 115.8, 314, 481, 147, 752 at 169. I was still out of it a little bit early. Garrett spun and drilled me on the tree. 033 to my 085. So I need to get better on that. But second fastest run SoccerMom's ever made. But unfortunately it dropped number 5 on when I pedaled it. So I went and borrowed a coil from Garrett's shop, but we didn't have time to put it in. But we have the buy run for this round, so I'm just gonna go up, take the tree, back out, go back to the pits, put a coil in it, and then we will be ready for round 4, which will be the semifinals. And hopefully I can go, I'm the fastest car left, but that doesn't mean anything in drag racing. You can never take it for granted, because you could drop a cylinder, or who knows what could happen, and you lose the round. So we're gonna try and keep going rounds, be smart, see if we can win this thing. Alright, so because I got the buy run last round, I cannot get it this round, which means I've got to race either that green GTR, which went 8-1, or the red Super that went a 748, I believe. So hopefully the track will hold the tune-up that we had in it earlier, I'm hoping. They're both pretty quick. If I spin, obviously I'm done. There won't be any catching either one of them unless they spin, and then we'll have to see what happens. But gonna have to earn this one. See what happens. All right, so we have the fast red Supra this round. If I wheelie or spin, I'm in trouble. But he's in the same boat.
Go get him, man.
Thank you. All right, Soccer Mom, we need 2 more passes. must have spun. finals. SoccerMom. Oh, all the problems you've given us lately. Sweet.
Hey, what's that smell? CJ's like, oh, it's Wahlburger right now.
Yeah. Got something for you, dude.
Heck yeah. Apparently, the guy that's in the finals is broke and can't even go up there to take the tree.
Yeah, so he was broke. Well, he had to buy at 3 cars.
Okay.
And I told him, I said, hey, if you're broke, I'm just gonna have to run for the finals. But if you can make, break the beam on your own power, and he did that.
Okay.
And then he tried to fix it,
but
he can't get it fixed.
Okay. So yeah, I didn't know that was.
Yeah. So instead of having you make another lap or whatever, this is you right here.
Oh heck yeah!
Winner.
Sweet. How about that, y'all? Win another 740 something in the finals. Felt like it laid down a little bit, but we'll see what's going on with that.
745.
But 745. All right. Well, hopefully it's still got all 8 pistons in it. Yeah, that'll wrap it up for this video. See you guys next time.